How to sign up on your PC on WhatsApp when your phone is off. So you want to log in into your WhatsApp on PC without using your phone because it's off. Well, what you need to do is you need to have access to the SIM card, which means the phone number in which your WhatsApp is linked. So once you have access to that, you can put it in any phone and turn that on. Once that's on, you can open this app called BlueStack. You can easily download it from Chrome. It allows you to use your phone on your PC. Once you open BlueStack, from BlueStack, you're going to have access to Play Store. From Play Store, you can install WhatsApp. Once WhatsApp is installed, you can just open up WhatsApp and normally just use the language you want and click on agree. From here, just choose the country you are in and then enter your phone number and click on next. It's going to send a verification code to that SIM, whichever number you typed. Once you enter the verification code, you can start using it, which means you don't have to scan QR code to start using WhatsApp on your PC. You can just use it by using the verification code like how you do in your phone. That's the only way you guys can use WhatsApp on your PC without scanning the QR code. So hope you understand. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.